7 Natural Ways to Correct Hormonal Imbalance in Women. Lots of women around the world seek natural ways to correct hormones imbalance and the adverse of menopausal symptoms. This is because recently there has been a great deal of information discussing the risks of taking hormone replacement therapy, HRT, and other prescribed medications. You will be surprised how quickly you can fix your hormonal imbalance by taking the following advice. Fix your leptin. Leptin is the cornerstone of all hormones, especially in women. Leptin controls the homeostatic control of energy balance and hampers several neuroendocrine and immune functions. When leptin is not balanced or your body has built resistance to it, then it is almost impossible for other hormones to be at equilibrium. Fixing your leptin will boost fertility, make weight loss easier, correct mood swings, reduce inflammations, improve sleep and check eating disorders. Soy products are brimming with phytoestrogens. Phytoestrogens compound is a natural compound found in certain plants. When these plants are consumed, they affect or stimulate the body the same way estrogen produced in a woman naturally does. It is important to consume soy and soy products in moderation, but when added to a well-balanced diet and lifestyle, it can help regulate raging menopausal hormones. There are a large number of soy products available that all offer the same hormonal health benefits. Support your digestive health. The health of the digestive system impacts and determines the hormones in our body. The digestive system is the point of supply of critical neurosynaptic transmitters in the body. Any anomaly in the guts may relate to the disproportion in neurosynaptic transmitters and hormones. A neurochemical named serotonin that is decisive to balance sleep is found more in the gut than the brain. The gut contains more than 69% of the total immune system in the body. It's the body's motherboard. Healthy diet. Keeping a good diet ordinarily helps fight off innumerable ailments. It is time to get off red meat, it does more harm to you than good. These animals are pumped with chemical hormones to promote their growth, so when you consume them, it fills your body with these unwanted hormones. To keep the body's hormones balanced, it is imperative to drink lots of water to keep the body fluid and hydrated. Herbal remedies. Many have condemned the use of hormone replacement therapy to treat hormonal imbalance in menopausal women. So, if you would prefer not to try HRT, then you should look to a more natural way to help regulate your hormones. Herbs like ginkgo, balboa, black cohosh and ginseng are useful herbs in the treatment of hormonal imbalance in menopausal women. These herbs can be found in the form of powder extracts, pills and tea bags. Just follow the usage description on their labels. Limit caffeine intake. The truth is that too much caffeine can wreak havoc on the endocrine system, especially if there are other hormone stressors involved, like pregnancy, presence of toxins, beneficial fat imbalance or stress. Reduce your intake of coffee or substitute with valuable herbal teas. If you can't or won't cut the coffee, use it as a way to sneak in your beneficial fats by adding a tablespoon of coconut oil to each cup. Adequate sleep. This point cannot be overemphasized. The truth is, without adequate sleep, hormones will not be in balance. That's a fact. While sleeping, the body is extremely active removing toxins, recharging the mind, and creating hormones. Skipping on sleep, even for one night, can have a tremendous impact on hormones, and even one night of missed or shortened sleep can create the hormone levels of a pre-diabetic.